Are you looking for a paid internship this summer that actually makes a difference? The WASSAN Summer Internship Program 2025-26 is where you need to be. WASSAN is offering exciting 1 to 2 months internship across Bhubaneswar, Sundargarh and Keonjhar, focusing on marketing research, food innovation and millet-based enterprise development. Digital marketing interns 3 position in Bhubaneswar, recipe development and documentation 3 position in Bhubaneswar, supply chain and Café functional data collection 3 position in Bhubaneswar, research intern for a socio-economic study of Podivorian tribes 10 position in Sundargarh, millet promotion and enterprise development 12 position is Keonjhar. Eligibility: if you are from background like MBA, food tech, social work, agri sciences or similar, and whether you are a fresher or have less than 2 year experience, this is your shot. Last date to apply 17th of May 2025, so don't wait. Want to learn more and apply? Click the link in the description or head it to. May your summer meaningful. Apply now and be the change in rural innovation. Follow us for more internship updates and career opportunity. Thank you.